friends, good morning and welcome to all of you in our advanced spoken English classes Vilay 3. Thank you very much for giving me this golden opportunity. I would like to speak on the topic importance of mobile. So without wasting any time, let's start. Mobile has become a very important part of our life. It provides the means to communication with friend, family and all across the world population. With the help of mobile, we can easily communicate with the people who sit in the corner of the world. It is used in so many purpose, just like it is used in entertainment purpose, and we can use mobile for watching movies and for playing games and listening music, etc. And it also play a very great role in the field of works, and we can use mobile for office work, for school work, for college presentation and so many things. It is small, convenient and it is easily fit in our pocket, and it does not have much weight, and by the help of mobile we can easily find the route through GPS, and we can use mobile for banking purpose also, just like transferring the money and online purchasing and online payment, etc. Your mobile phone is having a world biggest reference library on your hand, and that is a big advantage of our mobile. We can use mobile for dictionary purpose, we can use mobile for calendar, and we can use mobile for as a clock in place of clock, and so many things. We can use mobile for as a torch also. So it has so many application and it has so many feature. So as I mentioned above, mobile has many advantage, but there is nothing in the world which has no disadvantage. Mobile has become a very important part of our life, has also disadvantage. Just like it emits a very high electromagnetic radiation, which is very harmful for our brain, that may cause brain cancer also. And it also damages our eyes, because the ray coming from mobile is very dangerous for our eyes, and it creates a eye vision problem also. And the most thing we all are dependent on the mobile. That is very vast thing, because we reduce the, even we write something about some topic, then we go in Google and search the information from Google. Even a single thing we search from the Google. That's a bad thing, and that's a bad disadvantage, because the natural power of our thinking and our own creativity has been hampered with the advanced technology of the mobile. So that is a very big disadvantage. And mobile is also distract the people from their work. If we sit down for work, then our Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, all are distracting our mind. So that it helps to also distract our mind. And mobile is also responsible for some death also, because during driving time people do not attention on the driving and they pay attention on the mobile. So that's a bad habit, and sometimes during taking selfie people loses their life. So mobile is responsible for many accident and many death also. And it also reduce the ability of hearing power, because if we listen music with the high volume and we talking someone with the constantly, then it reduce our hearing capacity also. And it also helps to keep us far from our family, friends and relatives, because we are continuously using mobile, and this is a very bad habit. And time is very money, and we are totally wasting time on mobile. So that's all about mobile has many advantage and disadvantage both, but that's depend on user, how user use it. So at the last I would add mobile is a boon, but we can stop it to become bad if we use mobile in causally manner. So that's all about my speech. Thank you very much.